so this video will be up before this one. So first, jumping right into this video, I'm going to take the HeyyyyAj Wonder Skin Poreless Primer and prime my face. It feels very good. Lip scrub. Shea butter in here. Coconut oil. Okay. I'm just gonna break that off. My lips do feel very soft after that. I didn't get any brow stuff from them, so I'm just gonna use my Anastasia Dip Brow to do my brows real fast, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow because I'm a person that likes to do the eyeshadow first, just in case I mess up. I don't have to take off my whole face. You know what I'm saying? The HeyyyyAj Perfect's eyeshadow primer in the shade Nude, and prime my eyes. Just blend it out. So as it's blending out, it's very patchy, I will say. Another primer that does this to my eyelid is the Morphe eyeshadow primer. I'll just take a sponge and try to smooth it out. So, okay, this going in with the sponge did a little sneak this top color into my crease. Okay, there is a little payoff, not much, but it's there. Okay, that looks like all the payoff we getting from this color. Taking a Morphe 441 brush, I'm gonna take a little bit more of that color and just blend up a little bit. Taking this color in the center, I'm just gonna pack that color on top of it. Different approach, different brush, because it's not working. So I'm gonna take the Morphe 513 and apply that color. With a Morphe 518 brush, I'm gonna take this shade and darken, well, attempt to darken my crease. I'm gonna try one more attempt to darken. So we're gonna go with this dark brown shade here. Okay, I did a little sun. So I'm not gonna do a cut crease or anything like that. I just don't feel like that's gonna work very well. So I'm just gonna take this tannish like one and just highlight under my brow and then the inner part of my eye. The liquid eyeliner, and then I'm gonna do which lashes? I'm gonna do the Caroline lashes, please. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back, y'all. So I finished the other eye and applied my liner and my lashes off camera, and on all, the eyeshadow's not the best. I did mess up with the eyeliner, y'all. The eyeliner's applicator holds so much liner on it, like there's just a glob, like, and the felt tip isn't like a flexible felt tip, so it was kind of hard to like get it to do what I needed to do. The eyeshadow primer, not the best. The color payoff of the eyeshadow palette, honey, this eyelash glue, I didn't have to wait for it to get tacky. Like, it was like instantly sticky. And the lashes, They're cute. Ooh, just put myself in the eye. But the lashes are really cute as well. Let's get into the rest of this face. So, going in with my Zuri foundation and Honey Glow. Let's hope this goes right. Just put a little bit on the back of my hand. Oh, y'all, there's shimmer in this foundation. Ooh, yo, this may not be the one, so. Very misleading on the website. Very misleading, so whatever, we're gonna push through it. I'm just gonna take my Morphe 439 and buff this into my skin. So it's not, it says it's a medium to full coverage, but that's not the case either. So I'm gonna do one more layer of this foundation and help it cover some. I'm gonna take the, I wet the beauty blender, and it's not, it doesn't feel weird or anything, it just, it feels like a regular one. I'm just gonna try to do something with this. Maybe it would do with powder. It'll do, it may look better. But it doesn't really look like I put anything on. With this primer, it definitely settles into my pores. Yeah, it's definitely settling into my pores on my nose. And with that concealer in the shade Toffee, just highlight.
Oh my god!
It's like peachy undertones, like pinky undertones. Ooh, that's bad. We're just gonna pray that this powder do something for it. Now I'm gonna go in with the Zuri loose powder and Honey Glow. They're baking sponge. It's oxidizing. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but it does oxidize with the foundation. I'm about to wipe this off. I don't like my face to sit that long. Looking far away, it doesn't look too bad. But when you get up close, it's definitely settling into like my fine lines, and not a fan of that. The rest of my face, I'm going with the shade Toffee. Contouring to like try to warm my face back up. So I'm gonna go with that Zuri Flawless contouring kit, and I'm gonna go back and forth between their two darker shades and do some contouring. Morphe 405. That didn't do anything. It looks ashy. I'm really afraid to use this highlighter shade, but we're gonna use it. I'm gonna take it on their fan brush.
What the hell?
I mean, there's a little shimmer there. It's not a lot, but yeah, it's there. With that LA Color liner, I'm gonna just line my lips.
Why the fuck you lying?
With the color, the lipstick Guava. And I would just apply that to my lips. And to finish off this look, I'm just gonna take their setting spray and set my face. This is the finished look using ShopMissA's makeup. All in all, far away, it does not look horrible.
Why the fuck you lying?
Close, you can definitely see like the flaws of the makeup. It has settled into my pores, and it does look kind of ashy, but all in all, it did okay to say, you know, you get what you pay for. That it is $1, so it didn't do, you know, so bad. But yeah, this is the finished look, and if you guys like this video, comment, like, and subscribe. I'll list all the products that I use down below, and the links and stuff like that if I can find them again. And yeah, see you guys in my next video.